Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pull back a file in EOffice. First, log into your EOffice account with your credentials. Once inside, navigate to the Sent or Outbox folder. This is where all your dispatched documents are stored. Carefully find the exact file you wish to recall from the list. This initial step is crucial for a successful retrieval process. After selecting your file, look for the Recall or Pull Back button, usually found within the file's options or context menu. Click this button, and the system will likely ask for confirmation. Confirm your decision to proceed. The EOffice system will then initiate the process to retrieve the document, sending a request to pull it back from the recipient. To verify if your recall was successful, return to your Sent or Outbox folder. The status of the file should now indicate Recalled or a similar confirmation. If the status still shows Sent, it means the recall attempt was unsuccessful, possibly because the recipient has already opened the document. Always confirm the status to ensure the file is truly pulled back. Remember, a file can only be recalled if the recipient has not yet opened it. Speed is key. The sooner you attempt to recall, the higher your chances of success. If you face any persistent issues or the recall option isn't available, don't hesitate to contact your IT support team. They can provide specific guidance and assistance for your EOffice system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.